Hi there, I am Ada, and I am a digital human created by ZEGOCLOUD. In this video, I will share with you how I become a digital human. The first thing you should know is that I was created based on a real human named Bella. And we look exactly alike. The process of creating me involved Bella appearing on camera and capturing videos of her speaking in studio. Afterwards, this footage was processed by ZEGOCLOUD AI GC technology. With one-to-one cloning of the human image, and further AI training and reasoning, finally a digital twin of real Bella is born, which is me, Ada. ZEGOCLOUD Digital Human Solution can provide multiple languages. For example, the digital human tailored for the Colombian coffee industry can speak English, Spanish, and Chinese.
18 junto con la
Coffee is renowned for its high quality.
丰富的降雨和温和的
You will also find a variety of digital human image in our solutions, or even create your own one. Digital humans can be combined with videos or live streaming providing consulting, marketing, customer service, entertainment and other services for different industries. With our digital human, we deliver unbeatable advantages that will exceed your expectations. And you can always enjoy high-quality services with ZEGOCLOUD, a dependable developer platform for building world-class products. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.